Hiking, the most basic and easiest way of experiencing the serenity of Mother Nature, but obviously with proper gear and preparations. And we understand how confusing it can be while searching for that hiking gear. And that's why we've compiled some gear right from Amazon after hours of research and previous experience. So, lean back and enjoy our video on some must-have hiking gear on Amazon.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
EgoCut rechargeable headlamp is a powerful wide beam headlamp to illuminate those darker paths during nighttime. Unlike any other conventional ones, this headlamp comes with a 230-degree wide LED formation to light up every little corner of your way. 1,000 lumens of brightness provide adequate illumination, while 3 different lighting modes, tail light and USB charging facility, give its users that ultimate versatility. Meet the Montem Ultra Strong, a pair of capable trekking poles that will keep anyone balanced during hiking trips. Made out of a durable yet lightweight aluminum, users won't find it troublesome to carry, leading to a pleasant hiking experience. Then, come to those EVA foam grips, which are very comfortable to hold, while the addition of tungsten carbide tips provides perfect traction regardless of the terrain. Quickly foldable design and lightweight construction keep it right in the sweet spot for every kind of hike. During a hike, efficient power management is something we all should pay attention to, and carrying a self-sustainable power source like this Blaver solar power bank is always a wise decision. Packing a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, this power bank can electrify those hikes pretty efficiently. Plus, having an integrated solar panel makes it more sustainable for longer adventures. In contrast, the integration of a Type-C port makes it even faster to recharge itself and those devices. Forgot the charging cable? No worries. I got you covered with a wireless charging option. No one knows when an emergency will occur, and a proper multi-tool like this Gerber truss will be a necessity. Having a very compact shape, this multi-tool stays in a corner of that backpack or even in your pocket. Now, one may wonder, how can this tiny one be a proper multi-tool? Well, thanks to its perfect tool optimization, this compact one packs 17 different essential tools like knives, piler, screwdrivers, bottle opener, scissors, and whatnot. So gear up and get ready to go. Grail GeoPress is your go-to water purifier bottle for those hiking journeys. As its name refers, this one can purify water from random sources we see during hikes just with a simple press. Its filter is capable enough to eliminate all kinds of pathogens and microparticles, while its flow rate will impress anyone by filtering 5 liters of water every minute. Got that filter dirty after a couple of journeys? Don't worry, as that field replaceable filter can be changed right when needed. So stay hydrated and explore further with this Grail GeoPress. G4 Free Cookware Kit is here by meeting both criteria of lightweight and compactness to prepare a jaw-dropping meal after a long hike. Unlike its peers, this kit packs everything one will need to prepare a quick meal, including cooking pots, a mini stove, utensils, and everything else. Its mini stove supports any conventional propane tanks and is efficient enough to boil in such a short period. Its non-stick cooking pots eliminate the hassle of cleaning and make your adventure more enjoyable. Hiking, trekking, camping, or backpacking, no matter what your adventure is, this Protect Life First Aid Kit will always help you stay prepared. Although ultra-compact in size, This first aid kit comes with every essential medical supply one will need for minor injuries. As a result, users get carrying convenience and versatility altogether. Lastly, its pouch is durable enough to hold 100 pieces of medical supplies on the go. Let's be honest, we often find drinking water directly from the bottle a hassle on the go. So here's the Gregory 3D Hydro Reservoir, a perfect way to carry drinkable water while on a hike. Its practical design makes it easy to dry after use, while the easy filling method doesn't require any extra hassle. Furthermore, its integrated loop keeps it stable inside your backpack, while the drinking valve delivers enough water for quick hydration on the go. We all can agree on the fact that happy feet mean a pleasurable hiking journey, right? So don't forget to wear these hiking socks from Danish Endurance to keep those feet comfortable during hikes. As most of you already guessed, this pair of socks are made with top-quality merino wool. Blend of merino wool ensures proper thermal insulation, while the addition of targeted ventilation zones keeps those feet dry and comfortable during any weather. Worried about painful blisters? We don't think its proper cushioning will leave any question behind. Meet the SH/FT Outdry from Columbia, a comfortable pair of hiking shoes to rock any hiking, trekking, or backpacking session with style. These hiking shoes come with patented OutDry technology that features a breathable yet waterproof stretch knit. As a result, users get the utmost level of comfort without worrying about their feet getting wet. Additionally, the SH/FT cushioning offers just the perfect level of comfort and best-in-class energy return for rugged terrains. Finally, its grippy outsoles provide the ultimate grip regardless of any terrain. So, that was our list of some must-have hiking gear on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section. And please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.